What you mean by you want to take anyone on a coffee date? Where you take her for fool? At least that's what some people would like to have you believe, both men and women. But contrary to what some people would have you believe, the truth is if she likes you like that, it does not matter where you bring her. It does not matter how much you spend if she likes you like that. And let me repeat, let me do a Dr. Umar phone. If she likes you like that, it does not matter where you bring her. Again, if she likes you like that, it does not matter where you bring her. Do not misconstrue what I'm trying to say though. I am not saying you should not wine and dine your woman if you can afford it. I am not saying you should not give your woman gifts and take her on luxurious dates and thoughtful dates. However, what I am saying, if she likes you like that, it doesn't matter. But these are just my thoughts. What I hear, so ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. Trying to create a community of full thinkers, and I want you to be a part of it.